Hey everyone, Missybeelondon here. I was recently given these products from ROOT2TIP. It's the Harvest Hair Grow Pack and I can't wait to use them in October. Let's open the box and see what I got inside. And there's the pamphlets I got inside as well, which I'll show you more after these other clips. 1, 2 and 3. And here are the lovely products I got: a co-wash, a hair serum, a oil and a leave-in conditioner. Here is the comb out co-wash, and did I say or did I forget to say, all these products are 100% natural as well, so I can't wait to use them. A co-wash, yes, makes the washing process easy on my hair and time as well. And here is the detangling leave-in conditioner. Lovely natural products, like I've said, are in this again. I love the squirt nozzle. You just squirt it in your hair, or spritz in your hair shall I say, which makes life a little bit easier and less messy as well. So yes to that. Great design for your product. Grow It Long Scalp Serum. Massage it on your scalps of your hair, and I hear it says that it makes your scalp tingle. That proves and increases scalp circulation and will improve on hair growth as well. And this is the Super Growth Root Energizer. Another help and increase circulation on your scalp to improve on hair growth as well. You'll see anyway, when I start to use the products, you see me do videos on them, the progress, the journey, how I do it, what I do. So look out for those videos in October and November. Here's the first pamphlet. This pamphlet has information on how to use the products and tips as well for hair care, or most common question asked about hair. I'm giving you answers, and that's the instructions on how to use the hair kit that I got. This pamphlet just shows the 4 products inside the box and more information on how to use it, and at the back it shows people's results on using the products as well. And this final pamphlet had more information and more tips on how to grow your hair, tips and tricks and other products that are good on styling your hair as well, which is very useful because I need to do more styles on my head as well. So yeah, thank you ROOT2TIP, and I can't wait to use this product. I must say as well that before I start to use these products, I will give my hair a detox. I will do a hair detox video as well before I start to use this product to get the best result, of course. And here is the products in the last bit of the video. Thank you for watching. Any questions or any queries, please leave comments. Information about ROOT2TIP will be in the description box as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.